a lot of space. No, we're gonna put an extra spacer over there, guys. Can't live with it. We take this one and my center stand. Hop. Then see, you have to screw this a bit out. Your center stand is in the way. Yep. Then. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. Then. And see how the springs are mounted like this. This. And that's a rotating point. So, of course, we're gonna do okay. Yes. Bit tighter. Okay. This one. Grab it over there. Hop. And then. Oops. Whoa. Yes. Guys, actually, I should wear safety goggles. Up. Ding. Always wear safety goggles, guys. Very important, especially when you're having fun with springs. Guys, I'm gonna try it like this. It is a bit tricky behind there. So, but no one told me it would be easy. And don't forget your washer. This one over there. Yes. Oh, old mechanic. Whew. Guys, I'm gonna show you. Wait a minute. See, there he is. That is a lot of space, huh? This can go all the way to there. Guys, actually, can't help it, but I don't like it. There's a lot of space. No, no, no. We're gonna put an extra spacer over there, guys. Can't live with it. Now, guys, I mounted an extra spacer. Let's see. There. And now, see? It's better. And it still has some room. Wait a minute. And my Circle is nicely in place. Yep. Well, this is the way I like it, guys. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, torque this one. Needs to be torqued with 40 Newton meters. Got my torque wrench. I'm gonna set it to 40. That's over here. Okay. Yes. Now, get my torque wrench back out. Free play. Bit in. There's the drag. That's the way to hang it back in your shed or put it in your toolbox. Easier. Yeah, very easy. Okay, now let's see, guys. Not there yet. Yeah, that's, see? Yeah, this is much better. Yes. Then, guys, another thing. Over here is my axle for this one. First, we're gonna give this one a clean too. That's easy. Wow, looks like new. But guys, here, gonna clean that a bit too. So, and then okay. Yes. Guys, can take it out, I'm sure, but that's for another time, not for now. Push it out, and then I can give it a dab of my lubrication, my grease, because I can go over there. Hop. Then. Can I get deze? Yes. Okay. Up. Then, now, we're gonna mount this one back. Over there is a mark, and it needs to come over there. But guys, wait a minute. I'm gonna see if I have this one in Torx, and I think I have one in at least stainless steel. Guys, watch. Now I have a wonderful, nice stainless steel Torx with a nice round head, a new washer. Oh man, I love it. I love it. Then yep, perfect. My bolt. Wow, old mechanic. Nice, very nice. Okay. Now, wipe it a bit clean here. Guys, I'm very happy with the result. Now guys, that was my video. How to renew those bushings in your side stand. Mine had a lot of play, and now the play is gone. It's like new. And in the process, I could clean it and lubricate it, greased it up, put an extra washer behind the switch, and now it goes smooth, barely any play. I'm happy with it. My bike leans over less. It started to lean over very much, so that's also a benefit of it. But guys, of course I like to check that switch if I did everything right, and that I can do with the Motorscan app. But that's for my next video. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you in the next video.